Okay, welcome to another section of our assignment. Right now we're going to take a look at our OneNote, and this is on your Surface Pro that we're using in the classroom. Again, this can be, the PowerPoint actually can be downloaded again on our iPad if that's what we have, but in our classroom we're going to have the class of Surface Pros, and then this is going to allow us to actually with the attachment be able to put this on the Smartboard or Promethean board by using the adaptation piece to actually project it onto the Smartboard or the Promethean board like it was a Smart Notebook or a Promethean tablet. If you look at our assignment here on reflection and rotation, you'll see that we have different tabs here. And each tab has a little bit of different direction and images for you to follow. And then this will be uploaded onto our Google Classroom along with the PowerPoint that is going to actually look like this. But in the end, you're going to be able to take the file and actually download it, so you can actually, in the last two slides, actually show me a reflection and a rotation of your choice, along with the correct coordinates for the reflection and the rotation, just like we did here. So if you look here, you have the shape being reflected over the X and the Y axis, and you'll see that the shape does not change. The shape went reflected over the X from quadrant 1 goes into quadrant 4, and then if you reflect the triangle from quadrant over the y-axis, you're actually going to go from quadrant 1 to quadrant 2. And if you look here at this little table, you'll actually see how the coordinates work when you do a reflection and how it actually changes. So if you notice, and you're going to see here, we start with 5, 8 in quadrant 1, and then as you go along, you may notice that the coordinates aren't changing, but the signs for the coordinates actually do change. And that's going to remain true when we reflect. And as you're doing some activities, you might be able to see what we're talking about with this table, and that's one of the activities that you're actually going to do. And here's a little visual of the actual shapes as you reflect over X and Y, and you'll see actually what happens. Again, you're reflecting from 1 to 4, quadrant 1 to quadrant 4 over the x-axis here. You reviewed that with the coordinate plane and just graphing coordinates by themselves, not shapes. You'll see that the coordinates would remain the same, but the signs change based on the quadrant that you're in. And if you reviewed that before, when we were graphing points, each quadrant is set up a certain way. So you have positive, positive, negative, positive, negative, negative, and positive, negative. So as you go on, you're actually going to see the reflection as well. And at the end here, we put a little YouTube video for you to watch as well. So I'll click on this real fast and just give you a little preview of the video. And you'll actually see how this works here.
Transformation style.
Access different videos.
Transformation style.
So when this is downloaded onto your notebook, we're actually saving this, and I'm going to upload this OneNote into Google Drive along with the PowerPoint, so you could actually manipulate it and then use it to actually complete your assignment. Again, remember, you can do the touch screen, you can manipulate it, and then just click on the different slides as part of the lesson. Alright?